Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss our uploads. I'm back with another review and this time I'm going to review Caisy. So Caisy is yet another CMS that streamlines the whole process of content management. It lets you create your content, you can host your content, you can manage your content, and all of these tasks will be done in one single dashboard. And there are a lot of advanced features with Caisy, such as you can develop the front end of your website or app directly from the dashboard of this tool. So let's have a look at some more features. So as you can see, with Caisy you will get custom data models with blueprints. As you can see on this image, these are the blueprints. So this way you can define your content structure in a more innovative way, and then you also get the project management capabilities on Caisy's dashboard. As a result, taking care of multiple clients will be a breeze, and then you can also reach customers worldwide because there are a lot of languages. And another great feature of Caisy is that you can even recycle using the component system, which means you can reuse your components or existing work from project to another project. And then there is the digital asset management, where you can upload your assets and you can even customize those assets accordingly. A great news is Caisy is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So instead of the regular pricing of $468, you will only have to pay $59 and you will get the lifetime access to this great tool. Caisy is an alternative to Contentful. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. And as you can see, these are the features of this tool. So you get the 1 million monthly API calls, multi-tenant handling, component system, document version, and even an image editor, which is a great feature. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy. So the tier 1 costs $59 with one project capabilities, the tier 2 costs $169 with 2 projects, and the tier 3 costs $329 with 5 projects. Caisy also has subscription plans, so these are the annual plans, and if you're interested you can also check out the monthly plans. After you log into Caisy, you will get this page, and on this section you have to type the name of your organization. You can also upload the logo of your organization if you want, so let's skip it. And then you can choose the framework. So as you can see, there are multiple frameworks. You will also have to choose the project template. So it could be a simple blog, it could be this multilingual marketing site. You can also choose the blank project. So let's choose the simple blog. So you can also get a preview of this simple blog, and if you want you can add to project. You will have to type the name of your project. You can upload a logo. You can also preview your template. So let's continue. Now we are in the dashboard of Caisy, and to get started quickly you will get some options in here. You can also invite your team members, and if you need some help you can read the documentation, the templates, the examples. You can also join the Discord community, and then there are some settings that you can check out on these sections. Then there is the playground. On this playground, if you are a developer, you can build the front end of your website or even your app, and you can also go to the explorer or the history. So on explorer you will get some options, as you can see. Then comes the blueprints. So on these blueprints you can change settings to footer, author, navigation entry, and so many others. And on top you will see the documents, and you will also see the components. So if you want to create, you can do that from here. So you can either create document blueprint or also component blueprint. And then we have the release option, so I'm going to get to it a bit later. Then we have the assets option. So whether you want to upload your image or any other files, you can do that on here. And you can see there are two options, shared views and personal views. So to upload a file you have to click on this create. So let's upload an image. So as you can see, I have uploaded this image on this asset folder. So I can open this image, and then I can change this string. I can also preview this image, edit it, download it. So for editing there is even a little editor, so you can crop this image, rotate, flip this image. You can also fine tune this image with brightness, contrast, saturation, and opacity. And then you can also add description, keywords, the file name, file type, author, copyright, and dominant color. And you can also see the details about this image on this section. Then there comes the most important section, which is content section. So on here you can see all of the content, and you can also see the blueprint, which means the category of your content. So as you can see, this is a page, this is SEO information, this is the category, and how to build a blog. So this is the blog article. And keep in mind, these are all the documents. We can also go to the component section, and on here we will find some more options, as you can see. So let's go back to documents and let's open a blog article, which is this how to build a blog. So as you can see, you can edit the string, the slug, you can also edit the author, the category of the blog, the headline, the description, the image. So there are all the essential options that you need to publish a blog properly. And then there is the SEO option, and then you will get your full text, which means your full blog. As you can see, there are even some assets on this blog. So what if you want to add some more assets? For that you have to click on this assets, and you can either upload new asset, you can also choose from existing assets. So let's choose this image that we uploaded earlier. As you can see, the image is now on our text editor. You can also drag and drop this image by simply dragging it wherever you want. You can also edit it, and you can also unpublish, duplicate or delete it. And a great feature of this editor is that if you go to the top right, you will get these 3 dots on these versions. You can also see all the versions of your blog. So for example, if you have written a blog and if you have made some changes, but for some reasons you are not liking those changes, so you want to go back to the previous version, you can simply get that previous version on this section and then select that here. You can also duplicate the entry if you want, and once your blog is completely ready to be published, you can simply click on publish. And as you can see, the blog has been now published. So let's go back. So as you can see, the blog has been updated a few seconds ago. This is the author, and the status is that it has been published. Now as you can see on the left side, you can see a blog article category. So if you come here, you will see all of the blog articles in one section. And another great feature of Caisy is that you can switch between organizations, projects very easily. For that you have to click on this. As you can see, we are currently in this organization, so to switch to another we have to click on this, and all of them will appear in here. So this way we can switch organization very easily. We can also do the same for the groups. So as you can see, we can create multiple groups on here. We can also create multiple projects on here, and very easily we can switch between projects, groups and organizations to make our work very easier. And a little while ago I told you that I am going to show you this release feature. So this release feature is basically content scheduling, which means you can schedule your content for a future date. For that we have to click on this create release, and then we have to choose a name. And as you can see, this is the name, and now we have to link the content. So let's click on add documents. For example, we have created this how to build a blog. We have written this a while ago, so let's choose this one and then click on link selected document. And as you can see, we have linked it properly. So now we have to choose the date, the time zone, and then we can click on schedule release. Now let's go back to release, and as you can see, one content has been updated to be scheduled for tomorrow release. So this is another great feature of Caisy. So overall, I think Caisy is an excellent CMS. It lets you create, host and manage all your digital content in one single dashboard. You can make a lot of adjustments to your content. You can add assets, you can schedule your content, and there are some even advanced features such as blueprints, components, and on Playground you can even build the front end of your website or apps. So considering all of these features, I have to say Caisy is an excellent CMS. So if you want to buy this Appsumo Deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you will get from Appsumo lifetime deal of Caisy, and these are the 3 tiers that you can buy. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, goodbye.